Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi, grade 5. Are you ready for SLC? Okay, today Miss Aini is going to give example on how will you describe to your parents in math. Okay, so previously I think you already prepared about the word problem in your PPT, right? I make some hyperlink, and actually you don't need to work on that all, but you just need to choose one of the word problem. Okay, and before that I will invite my parents to join with me. Okay, so mommy, daddy, please come with me. Oh, here they are. Okay, so they have joined me today in my SLC. So now I will explain to them about what did I learn in math grade 5. Okay, so mom and dad, this term I learned a lot in math, and especially this grade 5 is not easy task. It's quite challenging. I need to learn many things, and we have a lot of discussion about fractions. Today I will tell you on how I work for word problem, and I will tell you that in grade 5 we haven't learned about algebra x, y, a, b, and so on, but we can solve math word problem using model. And here is the slide that I prepare for you. Okay, so I have this math word problem, and I will slideshow. Okay, this is my math word problem, and I learned about how to solve word problem using comparison, using dual change in equal quantity, using comparison multiples, and before after concept. And now I will choose the comparison one, this one. Okay, so the questions is Mr. Tom gave $3,600 to his wife and two children altogether. His wife received $500 more than his son. His son received twice as much as his daughter. How much did Mr. Tom's wife receive? I will try to solve it. Okay, you can use annotation, or you can use the pencils here. Okay, so this one, Mr. Tom gave 3,600 to his wife and two children altogether. So he has daughter, he has daughter, he has son, and he has wife. Okay, and then his wife received 500 more than his son. So this one is his wife receive, and then his son get less 500 less than his wife, and then his son received twice as much as his daughter. So we know that the daughter get a half of the son, right? So it's about this half, and then we will mark it so we can see that this is a half. And from this picture we see that the son get 500 less. Get 500 less than his son. So now from this picture we see that like this. Okay, and then the total is 360. Oh, sorry, 3,600. Okay, and then now we have this one. We have one. So I will stamp. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5 unit that is equal with, so there is 5 unit. 5 unit equals to 3,600 minus, my mom cannot see this, Okay, minus 500 because we have 500 here. Okay, and then if we subtract 3600 by 500, we can get 5 units. So we see that 5 unit is 3100. So now if we want to find 1 unit is this one unit is 3100 divided by 5. So 1 unit is, what is that? 620. Okay, so this is 1 unit. But the question is, how much did Mr. Tom's wife receive? But the question is about the wife. If we see here, the wife received 2 unit plus 500. So the wife received 2 unit plus 500. That means 2 units mean 2 times 620 plus 500. What is that? 2 times 620 is 1240 plus 500. So the answer is 1740. Then, so the conclusion is Mr. Tom's wife received 1740. That is the conclusion. Finish. Oh, sorry, dollar. Yeah, dollars. Finish. This is if you choose this question. Okay, so that is the explanation of the video to solve the word problem, and hope this will be useful for your presentation in SLC later. And don't forget to keep practicing. You can use any media to write. It's not always about annotation. You can use phone camera like this, and then use the back camera to write in the book. It's okay, that's fine, but um, so that you need two device, or you can use like that, like I give you example using the annotation, or you can join with another device and then you will write with your stylus pen or something. It's up to you. Feel free to choose, and don't forget you only choose one word problem to be described to your parents. Okay, so get ready for SLC. Thank you. Practice make perfect. Please practice more, and bye bye. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, thank you all, and thank you my dad. Okay, bye.